Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Megan. Today we have a guided meditation to help you feel peace. So the intention of this meditation is to help you feel peacefulness, contentment, and calmness. So make sure you find a nice comfortable spot to sit on, perhaps a pillow underneath you, or you can lay out long. Just make sure you have a nice long spine. And with that, let's create balance in your life. Welcome to your guided meditation to feel peace. This meditation is intended to have you feeling a sense of peacefulness, calmness, and contentment. So make sure that you find a nice, comfortable position here. You can be either seated or laying down. In either pose, make sure that you have a nice, long spine. Get comfortable. And then imagine you are standing on a white, sandy beach. The sand is soft and powdery between your toes. You gaze out towards a turquoise blue ocean. The sun is shining down on you, the warmth of its rays kissing your skin. You begin to walk towards the water until you're ankle deep. The water is the perfect temperature as it gently caresses your feet. You wade out a little bit more until the water is at your waist. You then lay back against the water, floating. You are buoyant in the water. You can smell the saltiness of the ocean air and even taste it on your lips. You gently lay here, hearing the water lap all around you, feeling the sunshine on your face and your body, the warmth of it as it beats down on you. Every thought begins to fade away from your mind. You are simply just here, present, and nothing but this tranquility consumes your mind. After some time here in your ocean paradise, you begin to bring awareness back to your body, noticing the gentle call of the seagulls above, the gentle lap of the waves as they hit the beach. And then you gently stand back up and begin to wade back to the beach. As your toes touch the beach sand, you turn back around for one more gaze at the ocean and smile, knowing at any time you can come back to this tranquil, peaceful ocean paradise anytime you need some peace, calmness, and contentment in your life. For yoga and meditation videos that you can practice in the comfort of your home, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit the bell button to be notified when I post a free video. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support truly does make an impact in making these videos more accessible to everyone. I will see you next time. Namaste.